In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Miro board effectively and ensure you're collaborating with your team seamlessly. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure you're able to share your Miro board with the right people in the right way. First, to get started, you'll want to log into your Miro account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard listing all your boards. Find and select the board you'd like to share. It's important to ensure you've selected the correct board, especially if you manage multiple projects. This is where all your ideas and plans have come to life, and it's ready to be shared with others who you think will benefit or contribute positively. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You will find the Share button sitting there prominently. Click on it. This button is your gateway to inviting others into your creative world. Sharing is not only about giving access, but also about controlling how your intellectual work is interacted with, making this step crucial. After clicking Share, you'll need to decide on the level of access you want to provide to others. Miro gives you three main options here: View, Comment, and Edit. Selecting View means people will be able to look at your board, appreciate your work, but make no changes or notes. It's as if they're peeking through a window. Choosing Comment allows them to leave feedback. It's great for getting input while ensuring the main content remains unaltered. If you choose Edit, you're giving them full access to collaborate. This is ideal if you're working closely with a team who needs to contribute ideas directly into the board itself. Once you've decided on the level of access, it's time to invite others. There are two primary ways to do this. One way is by copying the board link. Miro provides you with a link that you can easily share via the communication channels you commonly use, whether it be email, Slack, or any other messaging apps. Just paste and send it out to those who need access. Alternatively, you can enter email addresses directly into the sharing menu. This method doesn't only send an invite directly to the person's inbox, but helps you keep track of specific individuals you've chosen to collaborate with. It's a more controlled way of keeping your sharing